guys, after a long 26-hour days of travel, we finally made it to Phuket, Thailand. This is the room tour where we're staying. It's a nice little fridge. There's nothing else in it but 2 bottles of water, which I will consume because it's like 40 degrees outside. Little sink, some coffee stuff for Christelle. I don't drink coffee, but
Coffee's life.
this wonderful swan making a heart.
So beautiful.
It's pretty sweet. Nice king size bed. Little storage. And a little ironing board.
Mm-hmm.
And bathroom. You have to come in this way and come around to see the shower. It's pretty nice.
Very nice shower. Face basin.
I don't know if there's any soap.
Nothing.
No soap.
Okay. We have our own, so that's
There's a
okay.
hair dryer though, for my luscious hair. Okay. Got the couch. Thankfully got air conditioning. We got this pump in here.
Mm-hmm.
It's like so hot. And then you got the balcony.
Beautiful view.
So the ocean is that way behind us, but we'll take you to the pool after this and show you the view. But yeah, this is Southeast Asia, Phuket.
You remember how much a night this is?
It was $50 Canadian a night.
Cool, nice. And over here we got a little TV, and there we got a little dining room, our kitchen table, obviously Wi-Fi, and over here they gave us this open every day from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. This dining menu here with pretty reasonable prices if you ask me. But yeah, close it out, babe.
Oh, the water's so cold. That's fun closing up.
Go that way.
So in closing, this is a nice place if you're in the Phuket area and you want more of a condo than a hotel type of thing, and it's pretty quiet. I stayed here 3 years ago with a buddy and not much has changed. Some people live here, some people just do Airbnb, but the rooftop pool is very nice, so I'm looking forward to relaxing, watching the sun go down on the ocean, and put my feet in the pool with my wife. And enjoying cold water because it's hot.
Yeah. Okay, guys, that's everything. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.